What you need to know about developing a retail center. Number 1, locate a land that has a frontage, a land that is wider rather than deep in size and faces a busy road. Number 2, research and run a feasibility on the land. Number 3, get a preliminary site plan to ensure the size of the building will fit what you have in mind for that site. Number 4, obtain a preliminary price per square foot for design and construction. But remember, this is a preliminary price, so add about 15 to 20% markup to be safe for your pro forma. Number 5, create an initial pro forma. There are many templates available online if you don't have one in place. Number 6, purchase the land. Number 7, start the design process. Number 8, start bank research where you will be getting the loan from. Number 9, start putting together your financial package for the bank while your drawings are being completed. Number 10, start your research on construction companies and narrow to at least 3 companies you will be obtaining a bid from. Number 11, start your research on commercial real estate brokerage who will be representing you and your retail center and will be finding you tenants. Number 12, send invitation to bid to obtain the hard construction costs to those 3 GCs. Number 13, submit your financials and construction bid to the bank. Number 14, finalize your GC, obtain city permits, and close on your loan. You are now ready to break ground. Congratulations.